So let me tell you some of the ways at which you can invest in property, but I will break down the three main parts. First, we have residential properties. This means buying houses or apartments and renting them out to people who need a place to live. Residential properties are a good starting point for beginners. Commercial properties. When you own a commercial property, you rent it out to businesses instead of people. Renting to businesses can sometimes make more money than renting to people because businesses often pay higher rent. These are buildings used for offices where people work, shops where people buy things, or warehouses where goods are stored. Then we have real estate investment trust, also called REITs. REITs are like companies that own and manage many different properties. When you invest in a REITs, you are buying shares, which is like a small pie of the company's portfolio. REITs can own all kinds of properties, from apartments to buildings to shopping malls to offices. Investing in REITs allows you to make money from property without needing to buy the property yourself.